was cloaked in a soft, misty drizzle. The raindrops tapped gently on the windows, creating a soothing melody. Benjamin, with his warm smile and twinkling eyes, decided to bake something special for his loyal customers. He thought of his grandmother's recipe for the most delicious, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate chip cookies. As he mixed the ingredients, the aroma of vanilla and melted butter filled the air, mingling with the scent of rain. The townspeople, seeking warmth and comfort, began to gather in the bakery, drawn by the irresistible smell. The rainy day bakery became a haven of cozy